this is Harry Jai from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Snapchat account or delete your Snapchat account for permanently. In this case, you have to go to your Snapchat. Here we go. Here, you see, you have to hit this one, your user. See the name and everything appear here. Now, you have to hit one more time here at the corner, the setting option. In setting, you have to go down to this option. You say support. It says I need help. Hit this one. When you're inside the page here, go to manage my account. This option. So manage my account. Hit this one. In manage my account, you see the last option, deleting or reactivating my account. Very easy and simple. Last option, hit this one. Now, how do I delete Snapchat account? This option, hit this one. Here, you have to hit this button. You see here, account patrol. Hit this one. Bring me to my account here. You see, I have to put my password, then I have continue. You see here, after hitting that, account deactivated is done. Now go hit the home button. Here you have Snapchat. Hold this one and hit uninstall. Okay, so Snapchat is out from your phone. You deactivated your account, also the application. So this is how you can delete and deactivate the account of Snapchat, an app from your phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.